Hello, welcome to, I think, 5th tutorial on how to use Hammer. Basically, I'm going to show you now is something that took me about 3 weeks or a month or something to find, is how to make a stripper, a weapon stripper and a weapon spawner. So basically, all I've done so far is just created this little gate here to my liking, and I have put a light here and change the color. I'm going to name the light 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that when you get your weapon stripped, the light will change color and then change back. So let's just make a square here. Actually, let's just make it the size of the little gate that I've made here. Okay, let's get the trigger and the texture and type trigger. Sorry for screwing up, but it should not be doing this. And so let's just go create a trigger. Now we go Control T once again, and let's go trigger multiple. Yep. Don't really need to worry about any of this. Only just go on outputs, add, and let's go say on trigger light 1. Where is it? Should be change color, but let's just go turn off. And let's go add another one on trigger light 1 turn on, except this time we're going to add a delay of 5 seconds. Now what we need to do, we need to create a stripper. So what we're going to do, create an entity, and I already have this up, so let's just go player weapon strip. This will basically do all the stripping for you. So just go apply, and let's make a name. So stripper, like that, and apply. Let's just go to the trigger multiple and add on trigger stripper strip. So now basically when you touch that, your weapons will be taken away. So let's just get the weapon spawner. So basically what you can do, just spawn any weapon. So right now I'm just going to do this. Let's just move the org over. And let's just rotate it. One second. Goddamn Hypercam. Okay, so I'd say that's good enough. So let's spawn a button behind it, or something to put a button on, so that when we press the button, it will trigger it. As well as buttons work exactly like triggers. The outputs are exactly the same. What you can do, you can change the output on buttons and triggers. They work exactly the same. All you have to do is change on trigger. So let's just create the button, put in the middle, and let's search for texture button. It's only one real button texture which works properly. Hold on, it's screwing up again. So button, and so here it is, the texture. Just double click, and you can select this. Doesn't fit it, so let's just go fit. Looks pretty fat, so let's just go resize it. Looks a little too thin. Back to this, and let's go fit again. There we are, that looks a lot better. Now, let's just go Control-T, and let's go Func Button. Just to let you know, buttons work like the sliding doors as well, with lip, and how far you want them to go. So Func Button. The direction that they move, I've already got it set to go into the here. And sound, do whatever you want. I'm just going to go access granted. And so that's pretty much all you need to do for that area. So let's go add. Oh wait, first of all we need to do a weapon spawner, or force spawner. Let's go entity, spawn an entity, and let's just go here and type point template. So let's just make a name for it. Say temp1. Yes, I like putting numbers on the end of my thing. And let's just make this AUG1, because you might have multiple. Okay, for template 1, you can make it, let's just go select org1. You can use multiple templates and it'll spawn multiple ones at a time, instead of having to make multiple point templates. So let's go back to the button, and let's go add. Oh wait, we already have one there. On pressed, temp1, force spawn. Now right now, the org here will not spawn it there because it has been set to a template. So let's just go test this out. Run map. Go. Build Spectlights should have to be one of the biggest things to load, but... Oh yes, that's right, I already have Counter-Strike up. Let's just go to it then. Create server, test 1. Okay. Now, this texture glitch, you may have seen it before, but it has nothing to do with your map. It only has to do with the game, which may stuff it up every now and then. Look, it's stripped, and the light has turned off. In 5 seconds, should turn back on. There we go. Now to get a gun, you just press E, and it should spawn it. Seeing though you made it start constrained, it will automatically make it constrained. You can add delays on how long you want the button to spawn, but that's basically just the weapon stripper and the weapon spawner. So there you go.